Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Today we're doing puzzle number 4. If we start with this box, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 4 and 7 here, so this is our 9. 7 here, so 4, 7. For this row now, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 2 and 3 here, so that makes this our 5. 2 here, so 3, 2. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 7, 9, 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 and 8 here, so this is our 2. That 6 makes this our 8, 6. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. For this bottom row, we're missing 4 and 8. I don't see any help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this column, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 8. 3 here, so 6, 8, 3, and 6 here. So that makes this our 8, 6, 3. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. No help here. 4, 5, 8. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 8, and a 5 here, so 4, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, 6, and 8. We've got a 1 and 2 here and a 6 here, so this is our 8. 2 here, so 1, 6. 6 here, so 1, 2. 6 and 8 here, so 1, 2. That means our 6 has to be here. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 5. 4 here, so 5, 6. And with that 8, we can get rid of this 8 here. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 7, 8. We've got a 7 and 8 here, so 1, 5. 1 and 5 here, so 7, 8. If we look, the only place our 1 can be is here. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 8. 8 here, so 2, 5. 8 here, and a 2 here. Oh, and 2 and 8 there. So this is our 5. That makes this our 2 and our 8. That 8 makes this our 4, 8. 2 makes this our 1, 2. This 8 makes this our 7. We can get rid of this 7. This 5 makes this our 6. For this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. That 4 makes this our 5, 8, 5, 4, 8. This 7 makes this our 9, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. And for this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got a 3 and 9 here, so this is our 4, 9 here, so 3 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.